Lose Canoes part 2 of the year. Yeah, I need well, I guess I can when we come back.
Yeah, that's what I can do too.
He's waiting. Donna. You having fun besides getting hit in the head with the oar?
Yeah, you got blacked out. What about the dragonflies getting it on in my hand? Oh yeah, that's happening. Glad I can help you out.
All right, so Kendra and Danielle are getting ready to jump off this bridge.
No.
We tried to tell them no.
Tommy and Adam are jumping off. No.
I'll do it if Tommy does.
I can't do it.
I did it 2 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago.
When did you do it? Get their closed on like the day we tried to stop in there.
Yeah, my 40th birthday is coming up in March 10th. Yeah.
Ah! Sinkhole! Danielle, where did you go? I fell! Ah!
Like an episode of River Monsters.
Like it is River Monster. It's fun. It's like
All right, we're going to the right, far right.
here. Get our. Here, I'll get you.
It's a soft shell turtle right there.
He's so cute. Oh.
So his egg sack's already gone. That big long neck up. Her nose just goes like this, like a reed.
Good eye, Danielle. And then he was moving, yeah.
Yeah, so he was probably trying.
I don't want to step on him. I want to get a picture of him. I don't know where it's at, but it's all.
To my favorite old devil.
This one's sticking up high. I don't know why you took us this way.